I'm finally happy na naka-upgrade na tayo ng bago nating vlogging phone. Such an achievement. Such an achievement. Because if it weren't for this platform, I definitely will not buy another phone because as a budgetarian, hindi talaga. But because for this purpose of giving you more high-quality contents na high-ang resolution, here you go. I'm so happy and happy 19,000 subscribers to us. Konti na lang, magiging 20,000 na. And then my next goal is to reach 40,000 subscribers. So these are the items that I got from Shopee. Super ganda nitong bottom load na to, na water dispenser. And then, meron din tayong air fryer. So, yung i-haul ko, yung mga dinagdag ko, same brand sila na Tix. And sa Shopee mo lahat nung chinek out ko na affiliate stores. Pasensya nyo na, wala sa frame ang aking mukha. But, let's start with our Shopee haul. So, unahin ko na muna dito. Kita ako. Ano ba to? Grabe, ang tagal na nito. Kaya ito nasira or what. So, I like ordering garlic sauce. Yung mga garlic sauce sa Shopee, masasarap sila. But then, I tried this newer. Very well packed naman. Itong bago kong tinry ay from Haveli. Garlic sauce. House of Biryani and Kebab. Try natin. Para maganda yung consistency nito. And then, marami to eh. Patong-patong nga natin. Yung iba hindi ko pa natapos i-review. I really like doing these videos. Ito lang kasi mga favorite kong panoorin. Oh! Okay. Hindi ko na ipakita yung face ko habang ina-unbox kasi bumababa yung hole. Maganda to. This is such a guasha. See that? So, originally, I wanted the metal version. Pero parang gusto ko tong clear. Clear. Ayan, ganyan-ganyan sa face. For the body massage na ginagawa ko usually at night. It's cute. And then, may in-order ako na for my conditioner. Mas mura kasi yung mga shop. Talagang sinasadya ko naka-out of frame ako kasi para makita nyo yung items. It's cute. Ay! Aww! Ano? Ayun. Deformed siya. Ay, ano natin. Basta ginagawa niya ang kanyang stuff. Tayo. Tayo man. Open, diba? Ba't ayaw man? Diba that parang tataas siya? Is this, ano, defective? Huwag naman, kasi I waited for this, eh. Open. Yun! Okay, this one's cute. And then yung sunod natin. Doormat siguro to. I ordered another isa. Yeah. Ang ganda nito. So, every time sa CR, yung doormat pang CR, mahaba siya. Pero pang, ayan, pang CR to. Gustong gusto ko to. for the house. And then, itong isa na bukas ko na to eh. Ayan, dalawa sila. Ay! Dalawa sila. It's the phone case. I had my phone upgraded to iPhone 15 Pro Max so I can give you more quality content. So this one's very cute. Ayan siya. Cute, right? Wala lang siya ditong lalagyanan. Yun lang yung kaya di ko to ginamit. But for reserve, yan. Cute. And then, ito. This one's a bigger package of all plastic containers. Wow! I like it. Wala pa man. Kasi, yung mga containers natin, mapapalitan na. Ay! Okay. Isa-isahin natin. Ang cute! Okay. Ang hirap lang tanggalin. Okay. First things first, ito. Kasi nga, meron akong coffee maker, so I ordered this. Cutie! Yeah! Ang cute is... this one's glass. Ayan, so gagad. Cute neto! Love, love, love this. Tapos, ganito pala siya. Kasi sa mga fruits. Ito. And then, may free ulit na ganito for the... Ano naman to? Okay. Ano ba to? Like how? Paano? Ayan. Like how? Ayan. Ano ba? Ayan. So, for the garlic sauce, lalagay ko siya dito. Ayan. Tapos, tatlo yung ano niya. Pagalihan natin to. Cutie! Okay. Tapos, yan na, yung tatlo yung ano niya. It's cute. Bakit ayaw? Mahirap lang isara. But all in all, okay naman siya. This is the same that I ordered from last haul. For the pods, dito ko ilalagay yung mga pods ng ating coffee maker. So, meron kasi akong Nespresso. Tapos, meron din yung regular na pod. So, para may lalagyanan sila. Para sa aking coffee corner. And then, pero hindi naman natin makagamit. Cute, right? And then, okay. Finally, I have a spare na sofa bed that I'm using. Ito, dito natin siya ilalagay. This is just a big, kasha nga! Yay! Kasha siya! Okay. May uuwi ko na yon sa wakas. So that my friends can have a sleepover. This is a big comforter or kaya yung mga beddings na pwedeng ilagay. But this time, I decided to just get one for my sofa bed. Para kapag may gusto makipag-sleep over, I can just put the sofa and beddings here for them. Para di nakakalat. What else? What else? Ano to? I think this is the... But I won't unbox it for you. I'll just show you what I got. Pero hindi ko siya... I'll save it for the review. super cute. Ay! Oh my God! Detail. I'm gonna save it for the... Ang struggle. Sorry. I'm so happy! I really wanted this. May isa pa akong gustong bilhin, but that one is just a small cooker for hot pot. Hot pot session. I love this! Thank you talaga sa lahat ng Shopee voucher. So this is the Asahi waffle maker. See how cute is that? Tapos, ganito po siya. I'm so happy! I'm so happy! I'm so happy! This is the coffee maker. Finally, finally. Asan na ba yung pang-cut ko dito? Pumababa talaga habang nagbe-video. Ay! Okay. Ay, baligtad. Wala akong pa naman. Sorry, wait lang. Yay! Yay! Finally! I'm so happy. This is the version na originally gusto kong kunin. This is like the white version, but I opted for black. So ito yung version na kinuha ko. This is the 3-in-1. Parang siyang katulad ng high brew na nauso before. So 3-in-1 to. Pwedeng espresso, dolce gusto, tapos pwede din yung coffee pack. But then I chose the black so it can go well with the water dispenser na nakuha ko. Pero meron din ganitong version ha. Pero hindi kasi ito lagi nagsisale, itong version na to. But this one's 4-in-1. And I opted to choose this version. Cutie! I'm so happy! Finally, may coffee maker na. And then, where's that cute, cup? So, diba? Ayan siya. Pag mag-ano ka. See, gosh, I'm so excited. I'll give my review anytime this week. I'm so happy. And then, there are also other items here na nakuha ko. Finally, nakakuha na rin ako ng phone from Power Mac. Nireserve ko to. So, I really don't buy items ng... Sinasadya ko talagang naka-out of frame para nakikita niya items. Hindi ako bumibili ng new device unless talagang sirang-sira na, hindi na mabuksan. Couple of days ago, talagang nawala na. Dead na talaga yung ano. Nag-glitch kasi siya, and that's the sign na pag mamamatay na talaga yung phone. So, nag-backup na ako. And then, I had my phone reserved sa my Power Mac Podium. So, I got the white titanium. Hindi ko syempre mapakita sa inyo because I'm using it to film this video. So, sana malinaw na yung video ko. So, ayan. White titanium, iPhone 15 Pro Max. Wala na yung phone dito kasi ginagamit ko na now. So, just the usual. And then, ito yung cable na kasama dyan. So happy. Finally, I had my phone upgraded. Kasi, bilang matipid na tao, yung masira yung phone ko, super sakit for me. But, at least, I can film more videos for you. Na mas maganda yung quality. But I still have my old phone with me. This was a vlogging phone inspired by my first company phone that I used to upload my first video. Dito naman, still working. It's just that yung isa kong phone di na talaga. Anyway. What else do I have here? From Watson's, I usually buy the 3-pack na ano nila? facial tissue. Loading pa talaga. Ito yung favorite kong kinukuha sa kanila. I think that's it. I'm really tired, but I have to fix my mess.